Good morning, everyone. So, once again, welcome you all in your science period. So, we already discussed about the many points related to the metal materials and the non-material materials. So, today the last part of your lesson, that is uses of non-metals. As we in last period we also as we discuss about the some common metals, uses of the some common metals. In that metals we discussed the uses of iron, copper, aluminium, nickel, lead, mercury, gold, silver, and the platinum. Like the iron is very hard, iron is having very hard properties, so for that purpose we are using the iron for the making railings, cylinders, and the storage tanks. Then copper, so copper is having the all the electrical properties, so for that purpose we are using copper to make the electrical wires and the cables. Then also we are using for the heating utensils also. So these are the uses of the copper. Aluminium is also lighter than the copper and it is having the electrical property, so for that purpose aluminium is also used for the cables in place of the copper. In the transmission wires and cables we can use the aluminium also. So aluminium foil papers are used for the wrapping purpose, for wrapping the food, then medicine, cigarette, for that purpose. The next one is a nickel. Nickel is used in many industrial process, in electroplating process, and the manufacturing of the stainless steel. Next was the lead. Lead is used in making water pipes, then in storage batteries, and in making alloys and paints also. Then mercury. Mercury is used in thermometers, barometers. Then by using the thermometer we can measure the temperature also. Last was the gold, silver, and the platinum. So we know that these are the very important metals for us, because we are using gold, silver, and the platinum for making jewelry and the ornaments. So these are the very costly metals, so by using that metals we can make very precious jewelry and the ornaments. So student, these all are the related with the metals, and today we are going to discuss about the uses of non-metals. So the first non-metal is the hydrogen. So hydrogen is used for making ammonia. So the hydrogen is commercial fixation of the nitrogen from the air in the Haber ammonia process. The hydrogen, in simple way we can say that the hydrogen is used in making ammonia. Okay. Hydrogenation of fats and the oils. Okay, it is also used in hydrogenation of fats and the oil. Then methanol production. Main use of the hydrogen is to produce the methanol. Then in alkylation, hydrocracking, and the hydro de-sulphurization. Okay, hydrogen किसमें काम आता है? It is used to make the methanol. Then hydro de-alkaline, hydrocracking, and the hydro desulfurization. Then rocket fuel, welding, production of hydrochloric acid, reproduction of metallic. Then hydrogen is again used in conversion of vegetable oil into ghee. Hydrogen is used in conversion of vegetable oil into the ghee, and reducing agent in industrial process. It is used in reducing the agent in the industrial process. So simple way we can say that the hydrogen is used in the production of the ammonia. Then hydrogen is used in fuel in spaceships. It is also used in to make the fuel in spaceships. Then hydrogen is used to convert the vegetable oil into the ghee, and hydrogen is used to reducing the agent in industrial process. So these all are the uses of the hydrogen. Next, a non-metal in front of you, that is a carbon. So carbon can be added to iron to make steel. Okay, to make the steel we have to add the carbon into the iron. Okay, then powdered graphite carbon can be used as a chlorocal in cooking and artwork. Okay, carbon is also available in powdered form, so it is used in the cooking and the artwork also. Chlorocal pills can be used to absorb toxins in the digestive system. If your digestive system is having some toxins, means some poisonous substance, so that time chlorocol pills help in that. Then bone back carbon can be used to decolorize raw sugar. Okay, it can be decolorized, or it can be minimize the raw sugar also. So the carbon is exist in various form like diamond, graphite, coal, chlorocol, etc. So diamond is used as a gem. Okay, we know that the diamond is used as a gem. Then graphite is used as lead in pencil, as a electrode, as a lubricant. Okay, so diamond is used as a gem. Then graphite is used as a lead in pencil. The nib which is in front of the pencil, it is made up by using a lead. Then electrode and the lubricant also, the graphite is used for the lubricant and the electrode also. Coal is used as a fuel, and then chlorocol is used as the decolorizing agent, as well as in water filters as an absorbent. Okay, so these all are the uses of carbon. So next one is in front of you, that is a nitrogen gas. Uses of the nitrogen gas, we know that the chips packet which we are using, which we are eating, so in that chips packet which type of gas is stored. So to preserve that chips, the one type of most important gas is there, so that gas is known as the nitrogen gas. So nitrogen is used for the food packing. Nitrogen gas is used for the food packing. Example, to pack the chips packet, to pack the kurkure packet, or to pack the any food packet. Then again, then it is used in a food canning also, some in cans also, where we are preserving the food. So there nitrogen gas is also produced for the production of nitrogen components which are used as a fertilizers. Nitrogens are used in a fertilizers also to increase the fertility of the soil. Then liquid nitrogen is to preserve biological specimens by providing low temperatures. So these all are the uses of the nitrogen gases. So nitrogen gases, then again some of the important are the to preserve the food and the give the it is used in fertilizations. Now the next one is a oxygen, very important non-metal, that is oxygen. So oxygen is essential to respiration. The first and most important use of the oxygen is for the respiration. Without oxygen we cannot survive. Next is used in medicine. Oxygen is used in to make the medicines. Then used in welding and cutting. 3500 degrees Celsius at the temperature of the 3500 degrees Celsius, the oxygen used for the welding and the cutting. Then making of steel and methanol, oxygen used to making the steel and the methanol. Then smelting process. So these all are the uses of the oxygen. So it is used in manufacture of the steel or oxidize impurities. Oxygen is used to manufacturing of the steel and oxidize impurities. Oxygen flame is used for cutting and welding metal scarps. So these all are the uses of the oxygen. So on the slide already given, for respiration, for medicine, for welding and the cutting. Now let us discuss about the next non-metal, that is a chlorine. Okay, so chlorine is used in the purification of water. So here in the picture also you can see that. So chlorine solution, chlorine tablets, the useful use of chlorine to make the water and avoid impurities from the water. For the water purification we are using a chlorine. Now the next is a sulfur. Non-metal is sulfur. So it is used to make the sulfuric acid and other chemicals. We already discussed about the reactions. So in that sulfuric acid we saw about the sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid, to make the sulfuric acid, sulfur is used. Then vulcanizing rubber, to make the rubber, sulfur is used. Then cosmetic, lotions, shampoos, to make the cosmetics, lotions and the shampoos we use the sulfur. Added to the cement to make sulfur concrete. Okay, sulfur is also added into the cement to make the sulfur concrete. So these all are the uses of the sulfur. Sulfur, the main use of the sulfur to make the sulfuric acid. Then vulcanizing rubber. Then cosmetic, lotions and the shampoos. It is used in cosmetic lotions and the shampoos. Then added to the cement to make the sulfur concrete. Then again it is used as the insecticide. Okay, so these all are the uses of the sulfur. Now let us see the uses of the silicon. Silicon is a metalloid. Okay, silicon is a metalloid and it is used widely as a semiconductors for the integrated circuit in microchips, transistors and solar batteries. So silicon is used in electronic component such as transistors, integrated circuits, microprocessors and chips used in computers. So these all are the uses of the silicon. Now next is next and last one is a phosphorus. Uses of the phosphorus. So phosphorus is used in making matchsticks, matchboxes and the fireworks. So phosphorus is always used in matchsticks, matchboxes and the fireworks. So students, these all are the related with the uses of the non-metals. I hope you got all the uses of non-metals. So today your task to write down all the uses of non-metals, and afterwards I am going to send the assignment also. Today itself you have to write down your assignment, and at that assignment you have to send me on school app. Okay, so if you are having any doubt, any question related to the metal and non-metal, so you can ask me today itself, because today our lesson is completed, and from next period onwards I am going to start your new lesson. So for today, thank you very much students. If you are having any doubt, any query, so you can ask me and you can share your all the problems with me. So for today, thank you very much students. We will meet in your next period.